Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Easter Bunny pizza. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Easter pizza, let's begin by making the crust. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down. Next, I'll bring a line that comes down on each side. And then I'm just going to curve this up and then back down to connect it. Now inside of here, I'm going to give it a little bunny face. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye right here. Then I'll leave some space and I'll make another circle for an eye right here. I'm going to make a little black dot inside each one. Now for the nose, I'm going to make a little line across. And then a little line is going to go down and up like a V shape. I'm going to make a little curved line here, and then a little curved line right here. And then a little rectangle shape that goes down, over and up, with a little line down for the teeth. I'm going to draw a little eyebrow above each eye. And then I'm going to make a couple whiskers on each side. Now, I want to give my little bunny pizza some ears. So let's begin here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. That's going to be a rounded oval, and then it's going to come down here. A little bit of a rounded point at the top. I'll do another one here. We'll come up and then bring it down for the inside. Next, we'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to come up, and this time I'm going to bring it over, kind of at an angle. Next, I'll bring it down and up. And then I'll draw one line down here. I'll draw a second line right here, and then a third one really close. Now, I want to put some little Easter eggs on here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw an oval shape for an egg right here. I'm going to make another one right over here. And then I'll put one more right here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. Go right to here. And then I'm just going to come down and I'm going to bring it up. Go right to there. I want to add some details on here, so I'll add a couple little spots on here. I'll add some wavy lines on this one. And then I'm going to put some zigzag lines on this one here. Then I'm going to kind of fill up the rest of the space with some jelly beans. So I'll make some little jelly bean shapes all around here, just kind of curve down and then up and around. So let's kind of put some little jelly beans all over here. And put one right down here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Easter pizza. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.